Good morning, sweet mamas, sweet boys, and girls. We have another Manic Monday card game for you today, and it is called. Do you know what it's called?
Unfortunately, and deserve.
Yeah, fortunately, unfortunately. And the rules of the game are if you have more than one person, you'll go around and it will be the first person will do fortunately, the next person does unfortunately, and so on and so forth. If you only have two people, one person will always be fortunately, and the other person will always be unfortunately. And this game is super fun and silly. You can tell a story, you can make things up, or if you want to be really serious and political, you can do that too with older kids or even adults. So, you wanted to be the fortunately, right? Okay, so what is your first fortunately?
Fortunately, I'm going to the zoo.
Fortunately, you're going to the zoo? Okay. Unfortunately, all of the animals escaped their cages.
What was I?
Fortunately, so you have to say something positive now.
Fortunately, the zookeeper caught all the animals.
Fortunately, the zookeeper caught all the animals. That's good. Unfortunately, the zookeeper was exhausted after catching all those animals. Fortunately, another zookeeper came to keep the animals safe. Okay. Let's see. Unfortunately, it was super cold outside, so the zookeeper was freezing while he kept the animals safe. What's something fortunate that could happen? Fortunately, he brought a jacket. That's a good one. Well, I believe you guys get the point of the game. It is a great way to teach your children the difference between negative and positive thoughts and actions. And we hope that you guys enjoyed this just as much as we did, and we'll see you next time.